Talk using same old words. Today we are going to take a shortcut through old boring words in the direction of unlocking more advanced phrases. Advanced phrases that make you sound natural, fluent, native and more advanced. Today's vocabulary is about movement and direction. Even learning one phrase a day is going to be game-changing in your English skills. Now, let's dive in. This is the roadmap of what we are going to learn on this video. To take a shortcut through, point in one direction, join the queue or jump the queue, disappearing into the throng or to throng at. Throng as a verb. Get ready, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive in. Let's have a story first. I decided to take a shortcut through the graveyard at midnight. Bad idea. A ghostly hand pointed in one direction or direction. A bus across the graveyard. Okay, there was a bus waiting across the graveyard for the people to get on. I ran to join the queue for the bus, but it was full of shadows. Okay, we're gonna have some ghost story using the words that we are learning here, but we come back to the story later. We have a quiz question. Let's do something blank the park to save time. Let's do what to save time? Here we want a verb. Let's do something the park to save time. The correct answer is let's take a shortcut through the park to save time, because if we go the direct route, the main route, it is gonna take time, and if we take a shortcut, it means take a quicker route, it is gonna spend less time. We can save time. So the first phrase is take a shortcut through. It means cut through or bypass. So we are learning 3 new words. Take a shortcut through, like the park. Cut through, for example, the park. Or bypass, like the park. So we can use any of them when we are not taking the main route or the direct route. We are taking less direct route, so we cut through or we bypass. The boy here in the picture, the guy here is cutting through the jungle or bypassing the jungle. We always learn phrases in sentences. So our sentence here is: success doesn't come from taking a shortcut through life. It comes from walking the hard path with heart. So taking shortcuts in life doesn't work. You need to take the hard path with your heart. Quiz question. The guide did something, as we see in the picture, did something, did what? We want to choose the correct answer in the options in one direction, but I wanted to explore the hidden path. So it was some direct route, but I wanted to explore some hidden path. What did the guy do? As we see in the picture, he pointed in one direction. To point in the correct or one direction. It means to indicate, to signal the right path, the true path. Point in one direction means to indicate in the direction of, to signal in the direction of, to gesture in the direction of. And we definitely want sentences to practice this phrase. When your dreams point in one direction, don't get distracted by the noise. When your dreams are talking about or signaling a specific path, when your dreams are showing you a clear way, Don't get distracted by other paths, other ways around. Pay attention mindfully on the path that your dream is showing you. A quiz question. She blank for ice cream. So it's going to be something long. We already used take a shortcut for or point in one direction. So she either jump the queue or join the queue for ice cream. There is a line of people, one by one, to buy ice cream. They are all waiting in the line to buy ice cream. Well, if you want ice cream, you need to join the line of people waiting. You need to join the queue in order to buy ice cream. Line up or get in line to join the queue. Queue means line of people waiting. And you need to join the queue or get in line to buy ice cream. Every master was once a beginner who had to join the queue of learners, a line of people that are waiting to learn something, a line of people that are trying to learn an ability, a skill. This sentence is motivational. A quiz question. Please don't blank the queue, it's rude. Again, it's a phrase related to queue. Now you're standing in the queue, waiting. Suddenly you do something. You jump the queue. Wow, what does it mean? What does it mean to jump the queue? If you want to join the vocabulary learners, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next vocabulary deep dives. Please don't jump the queue. It's rude. Let's study the word jump the queue. It means to cut in line, to skip ahead. To jump the queue means to cut in line, to skip ahead. For example, you are tired of waiting in the line of people. You cannot wait anymore, so you jump the queue. You skip ahead. It's something that you do unfairly. You push forward in the queue. You cut in front of someone else in the queue, and it's something unfairly you shouldn't do. But you do it because you don't want to wait too long for your turn. And trying to jump the queue in life may get you ahead faster, but not far, so don't skip ahead. Wait for your turn to arrive. Be patient, because jumping the queue in life may get you ahead a little more, but you don't get far. The rest of the story. Somebody decided to take a shortcut through a graveyard at midnight. Saw a bus across a graveyard, and there was a queue. He joined the queue, but the queue was full of shadows instead of people. Now the rest of the story. A man tried to jump the queue, and the shadows dragged him underground. So if you want to jump the queue in a graveyard, shadows will drag you underground. I screamed, disappearing into the throng of fleeing people, but the shadows followed. Disappearing into the throng. We are going to learn that phrase in a minute. Quiz question. The spy blank verb did something, do something. After taking a shortcut through the market, what did the spy do? He or she jumped the queue, joined the queue, pointed in one direction, the spy. This phrase is already in the sentence. Or disappearing to the throng. This is the correct answer here. The spy disappeared into the throng after taking a shortcut through the market. Disappearing into the throng means to vanish into the crowd. Throng means gathering, crowd. Throng as a noun means gathering, crowd, a gathering of people. or a crowd of people. And when you disappear into the throng, you go among people so that you can't be seen, you can't be found. So you disappear into the throng of people, you vanish into the crowd. He walked forward with purpose, never disappearing into the throng of doubt. Here, throng means a gathering of doubt, a group of doubt in my mind. Disappearing to the doubt here means to get lost in the wall of doubts. Get lost in the world of doubts in his mind. He walked with purpose and never got distracted by a throng of doubts, never disappearing into the wall of doubts. Quiz question. Fans, I think, did something the stadium gates, but one team tried to jump the queue. Security stopped him. What were the fans trying to do at the stadium gates? The only option that is left is to throng at. Now we want to learn the meaning of throng as a verb. Fans thronged at a stadium gate, but the rest of the sentence, what does it mean? To throng at. If you don't want to disappear into the throng of average learners, smash subscribe and hit the bell. And comment your favorite phrase in the comment section below. To throng at means to crowd around, to gather around, to swarm a location, to gather at a location, to crowd around a location. When a large group of people crowd at a place or location, we say the large group of people throng at that location. For example, some people throng at concerts, but few throng at the Library of Wisdom. We have two groups of people in the picture. Some people, maybe fans, music fans, they are thronging at concerts. And there are some people, readers, wise people, they are thronging at the Library of Wisdom. Finally, we want to review what we have learned so far. But revisit and rewatch the whole lesson again if you truly want to master everything that you have learned so far. Take a shortcut through means take a quicker route rather than the direct route, the main route. Point in one direction means gesturing in one direction, indicating or signaling a specific direction. Join the queue means join the line of people waiting, and jump the queue means skip ahead unfairly in that line of people waiting. Disappearing into the throng means vanishing into the crowd of people or anything. To throng at means to gather around. Until next video, so long.